Hey everyone, it's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video, I will be unboxing and giving you my first impression of the Huawei P30 Pro. The list of specs gives me the impression that this device has a great future, but we will have to test that and see how it holds up in real life use. So I'll go ahead and peel this plastic off of the box. Taking a quick tour around the box, Huawei P30 Pro on the front, same goes for the side, just Huawei on the top. P30 Pro on the side, and I did get the breathing crystal color, so that's pretty cool. Popping the top off of the box, Huawei design, and then let's get to taking the device out, and we'll continue with the contents of the box. So in this package, you see the SIM ejection tool, and then inside, we do not have a case, but we have a quick start guide and a warranty card. The next thing in the box, we have the European style charging brick, Huawei branded. Next up, we have a white charging cable. This cable is Type-C with a splash of purple, nice detail. Then we have a set of earbuds. They're Type-C earbuds. There are no headphone jacks on the P30 Pro version. The earbuds look pretty decent. They'll do, and at least they're included inside of the box. Here's everything that you get inside of the P30 Pro box. Now for the main attraction, we'll peel off the plastic to reveal just how gorgeous this device is, and the breathing crystal color is what I have here. I have to admit this phone looks more attractive than my S10 Plus, but that's also a beauty too. Let's take a look at the cameras. Here you have an 8 megapixel camera. Next up, 20 megapixel camera. And this is your 40 megapixel camera, your flash, and then here you have your time of flight sensor. This phone sports a medium-sized Huawei branding. Other than that, it's pretty clean looking. The bottom of the device is pretty flat, and it sports a speaker grill to the left, your Type-C port, and to the right it has your SIM tray that can also house a nano SD card. The left of the device is left pretty clean. The top, you have an IR blaster, a mic, and I also forgot to mention that the display has that vibrating technology for sound as well. The right of the device, you'll see a red splash for the power button, and then your up and down volume keys. Let's power on the device and take a look at just how wonderful this device will be, or will it be. This device has a single 32 megapixel selfie camera, and here we are greeted with the welcome screen. What I will do is restore from an old device, and I'll use my Mate 20X. That's about 3.8 gigabytes of ROM. So here they are next to each other, the Mate 20X. Pretty big phone actually, 7.2, and let's put it up against the S10 Plus. They look more alike as far as size anyway. Adding finishing touches. This should just take a few more seconds and we're all set. So let's go ahead and get into that fingerprint sensor setup. But before we can do that, that's the Huawei ID. You also have some information about device protection, and that's how we'll set up the ID and face unlock. So I will speed this up for purposes of not dragging this out. And it took a while. So now that the fingerprint ID is set up, we can do face recognition. And this is just information before you get started. And I'm good with this information, so I'll say, let's get started. Okay, and here's some disclaimer, so you can pause that and read it if you would like. So I'll say agree, and let's go ahead and see how this face recognition works. Pretty quick, it's no moving of the head, and look at that display. That's a pretty awesome looking display, and here it is up against the Mate 20X. And then why not just let the S10 Plus join the party? So here they all are looking pretty identical. I have to do some work with the P30 Pro to get the icons and the apps where I need them. Face unlock. You see the little lock just unlock very quickly. I'll do it again. And check that out. That's pretty fast. Fingerprint sensor. Here we go. That is way quick. Way quicker than the S10 Plus. Let's do it again. Alright, let's try the S10 Plus and the P30 Pro next to each other. So the Galaxy S10 Plus is on the left, P30 Pro on the right. And let's take a look at who wins this. Go. And I think I actually put my thumb on the S10 Plus first, but the P30 Pro still unlocked quicker. So let's take a look at the camera, the rear camera. I'm not going to get too much into the cameras with this unboxing video, but I just want to do my normal take a picture and see how fast the shutter is and how detailed the picture looks. So taking it of the S10 Plus, as you can see, it's still kept, it's pretty detailed, but let's try something with a little more color. We'll take a picture of this. And let's go ahead and zoom in. Well, let me zoom in. And that's pretty crispy. That's a nice crispy looking photo there. Next up, I want to take a selfie. So let's go ahead and, okay, so this is like, you know, the first setup. So here we go. And mirror off. And the shutter's pretty quick, so thumbs up for that. So let's take a look at me. I think it's a really nice selfie camera. Good job. Let's take a look at video and audio, and we get to look at this gorgeous screen some more. So let's have a look-see.
Hey everyone, it's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video, I will be unboxing and giving you my first impressions of the Rode Wireless Go. This is a compact wireless microphone system, which I picked off of B&H Photo for $1.99. So you can take a look at some of the specifications that this little compact microphone system has, and then we can get into the unboxing. Taking a quick tour around the box, here's the front of the packaging. Off to the side, ultra compact wireless, built-in microphone, and 2.4 digital transmission. And here is the back of the box, but on the bottom of the box you have the contents of the box, and this is what is included. And this is how you would wear the transmitter part. So opening up the box, take video of the games.
Wow. What did you guys think of the audio part of the video? I'm gonna say this P30 Pro did its thing. The audio, even with the single bottom firing speaker, that vibration screen technology did its thing as well. I'm gonna say that it actually did a lot better than the LG G8. This one sounded so much better and it got so much louder. So what did you guys think? And the people that have the LG G8, tell me what you think in the comments as well. So this about just does it for the unboxing and my first impressions of the P30 Pro. I really do like this phone. Just off of the first impression of the phone, I kind of like it better than my S10 Plus. I can't wait to try out the zoom feature of the third camera. That's going to be sick, and I'll do some videos about that. But again, I want to thank everyone for watching, and I want you to have a spectacular day. Until next time, guys. Until next time. Later.